The heart of Canada throbbed long before 1867. The mountains towered under skies of blue, while oil bubbled under the fields of wheat. The horizon was a canvas of colors, with farmers already watching it as they endlessly toiled for the harvest. Back then, we were very much the same as we are now. We raised cattle. We manufactured goods. We brewed beer. And we loved this land. We celebrate 1867, not as the date our land became Canada, but it's the date when we became Canadians. After 1867, we still farmed, worked, drank, and lived as a community. Canada is as much the people as it is the place. Together, we stand, and together, we grow. It's why we drink Canadian beer, eat Canadian food, and wear Canadian clothes. Because we are made in Canada.